Hi guys, I'm gonna shoot a quick vlog today, mainly because I want to hang out with you and I don't want to miss an upload. It's Saturday and today's the first day that I have felt good. All week I've been either exhausted, tired, or I had like a spell of a really, not horrible migraine, but you know, I live with a chronic condition. So today I just feel refreshed. I'm running to the grocery store to get the things that I want so that I can kind of like reset my system. And just have a few days of clean eating at home. And so let's go do that. And then I'm gonna come back and clean up my place and get it beautiful. And whenever I feel like I don't wanna do that, one of the things that helps me is I buy flowers from Trader Joe's, because when my home is styled in a really pretty way, that makes me feel inspired. So I'm gonna buy myself flowers, I'm gonna get some fresh fruit so I can put in my fruit bowl, just those little things. You know, you gotta find whatever motivates you. So let's spend the morning together. I'm heading to Trader Joe's now. I think I need to go to Ralph's too because I want to buy some sausages. How are you doing? I went really lightly with the groceries. I got this. I like to make like ground beef with onion, garlic, and cauliflower rice. And then I got the Italian sausage. I take it out of the casing and use it with the roused tomato sauce. Oh, I forgot to get zucchini. And then I usually add zucchini. I got some sausage for breakfast and shaved beef. I like to do these Philly cheesesteaks. Shaved beef with this bell pepper. And then provolone cheese. I got some soup for the shower. Always a sucker for these like specialty grapes. This is Gumdrops. I don't know, I've never had it, but they were 10 bucks. Pricey grapes. Best butter. Got some cherries, a bag of salad, some peaches, some apples, 1 lemon. Oh, and this stuff is also really good for breakfast. Cheddar chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. So I'll do like one of those and a scrambled egg. So I'm actually gonna make my breakfast, put away the groceries, make my breakfast, and then I'll start cleaning. I wanna take a minute to thank the sponsor of today's video, Care Of. Care Of is a subscription service that ships high quality, personalized vitamins, supplements, and powders straight to your doorstep conveniently every single month. I have been into supplements for many, many years. If you know about that whole world, you know how complicated and overwhelming it can be. What I love about Care Of is that you hop on the website, you take a quiz, it's in depth. Based on your goals, it will send you a personalized recommendation. One of my goals this year is to just improve gut health. And so based on that, they sent me their gut check, which is an on-the-go probiotic for digestion. I am on their collagen. I take this every morning with my coffee. This is my decaf Americano, and I just add the vanilla oat creamer. It has 0 grams of sugar, which is very important for me. The packets come super conveniently in these little individual cute packs. So if you're traveling this summer, I would say this is like super easy to pack. You can stick to your routine even when you're away from home. For 50% off your first Care Of order, go to takecareof.com and enter code TheCarlaProject50. That's takecareof.com and enter the code TheCarlaProject50. You can also visit the link in the description box below. Thanks Care Of, and thanks to you guys, and let's get back to the video. Okay, I finished breakfast. I took a shower, I got dressed. I'm gonna do 15-minute tidy, do the dishes, make the bed, straighten up, and then I'm gonna get out of the house and run a few errands. Samson. What would you like, sir? He's looking for his greenie. What do you want? You want your greenie? Where is it? Oh, you know where it's at. That's the trash. You want your greenie? Okay. Sit. This died, broke my humidifier this week, so I want to move that out, and I'm just going to order a new one online. My plant is also not doing so well in here, and I don't know if it just needs to be repotted or what, but she's not too happy. Okay, looks good. Bed is made. Bathroom looks good. I don't have to do anything in here. Took a shower, hung up my towel. Didn't need to use any of my hair tools. It looks good, it looks good. Tidied things up. It looks pretty good in here. Made the bed, did the dishes, reset my desk and the sofa, and put out my new flowers. And now I want to go Bed Bath Beyond and buy a vacuum. I might go to Target first and look at the vacuums there, and then go to Bed Bath Beyond because I have my eye on one and I want to use that 20% coupon. So that's the plan. I'm also gonna get a car wash. Okay, let's go do things. Look at the back seat. I have that organizer back there. If you saw my car clean out video, you remember what my car used to look like. It's perfectly neat right now. It looks so good. I brought back in my reusable bags, which I'll put in the trunk. The trunk could use a little more organizing, but the car itself looks fantastic. Very happy. Is that it? This color, sort of like a gray cream, but I just know it'll get so well, I'll never check it. So between this one and this one, navy. I have so much navy in my life. I could also do gray. Cement color. Oh, pink. I know people are crazy about packing cubes, but this would irritate me. Like, I would want it to be completely see-through. I don't like the mesh and the cover, and no, I don't like this. I've been shopping for a vacuum cleaner for months now. I only have a handheld vacuum and I really need to get one, especially with all the fur that Samson has. But I get overwhelmed every single time I come to the store. I think I know which one I'm gonna buy, and then I end up looking at reviews and looking at other ones. I just need to make a decision. But I had no idea how expensive vacuum cleaners can be. This one is $1,000 for a vacuum cleaner. Unless someone else is coming with the vacuum to vacuum my home every day, I would not spend that much money on a vacuum cleaner. I did find a suitcase though. Came back from Target with the suitcase, did not come back with the vacuum cleaner. I am just now completely overwhelmed and doubting which one I should get. I might just end up ordering one on Amazon. I don't know. The Sharp WandaVac system is the one I was thinking of getting. But then I log on Amazon and I see a whole other one that has really great reviews, and it's $154. Oh, and plus save $20 with a coupon. Whereas the one at Bed Bath & Beyond would be $160 plus tax, so $160 versus $130. I mean, it's pretty close, but keep you posted. Oh, the chair back rubs on the wall and makes it all marked up like that. I'm gonna change this little nook here, you guys. Changes are coming. More changes are coming. Okay, it's so hot. I'm gonna go into my bedroom and close the door and sit by the air conditioning. That's where Samson is right now. I bid you adieu. This is the end of the vlog. Have a great day. Talk to you next week.